Okay, we are mixing three packet of cheese. Then nag-add na si Nate ng 1/2 cup white sugar. Yan, medyo challenging yung kanyang pag
I think I should have just used one.
So, 1/4, dalawang 1/4 is 1 cup. Yan, so medyo melted na siya. Yung ginawa nilang crust 3 days ago. Clear.
So good.
Okay. Add 1 egg, mix a bit. And we need 3 eggs actually.
Yep.
So, add them 1 by 1 yung egg. Add them 1 by 1 yung egg. Second egg.
What's last egg?
Tapos last egg. So, white and yolk, 3 eggs.
Then after that I need my all-purpose cream. So I'm gonna let it mix.
Okay, all-purpose ilang ml ba yun? How many cups daw? All-purpose cream.
And all-purpose cream. All of it. So yeah.
Okay, so we
Grab
will
your-
we will use the whole How many ml is that? Yung hawak mong ito, can you read para alam ni Tita Ira mo?
Yeah. Can't seem to find the ml.
Ayan, 300 ml.
Okay.
So according to chef, we will use all these. So 3 box of Philadelphia
No,
cream,
any cream cheese actually.
cheese, 3 egg, 300 ml na all-purpose cream.
There we go. And then this is mix. This is mix.
Just mix.
And then even. Tapos after. Okay, final step is add the condensed.
So we will add this 380 grams na condensed milk. Mahirapan kayo, open mo lahat yan. Mabagal yan.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yep.
380 grams ng condensed milk.
Is there pag evenly mixed na lahat, idagdag na doon sa naluto na crushed grahams.
Alright,
Or,
so we will transfer it here.
yeah, wait.
Basta na
Mix
siya.
na siya. What do you think, Pops?
So we will transfer it here. So ginawa niya.
Let it drip first.
Yeah, let it drip first. So, i-scoop natin yun namaya. Then, transfer dito. Makapal yata ah. Mukhang malaki yan ah. We'll start i-preheat na natin ito. 175 at
Okay, in the meantime, just... Okay, it's enough.
so let's see. Transfer dito. Mukhang mag-overflow to ah.
Okay, overflow.
Hindi. Pero masyadong thick. Mas maganda. Yan na ba yung pinakamalaking ano natin? Masyado siyang thick. Hindi kayo mag-expand.
Of course you will expand, but I think it'll be okay. There's enough.
Hindi, walang flour yan eh. Walang
No
flour,
flour?
hindi pala mag-expand. Walang flour yan. So, i-scrape mo na saan yung pang-scrape mo.
Yep.
Mm.
Ooh. Can't wait to taste it.
Mhm. Ayan, start na yung 1 hour natin. So ito yung ano,
So
ito yung ano, finished product.
Can I try just the sides?
The side, let's try.